This gorgeous home is located on a large private and heavily wooded lot, only minutes from all the shopping one could need. As you enter this custom home, you are welcomed by stunning hardwoods, custom bookcases, and a stunning dining room. The fantastic modern kitchen features gorgeous solid surface countertops and new stainless steel appliances. The living room features hardwood floors and a custom cozy fireplace. The master bedroom features 2 walk-in closets and a master bath with a glass shower and jetted tub. Featuring a raised garden bed and large backyard to enjoy the fall foliage and spring buds. Home is close to schools, shopping, parks, and roads for easy access.